Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. Today we're going to look at one of my favourite coins, which is it's the 2013. It's commonly referred to as the purple coin, but it does have another name, and that is the Coronation. So it is the 60th anniversary of the coronation of the Queen Elizabeth II. So this coin was put out into circulation to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the date the Queen became the Queen, and purple being the royal colour. That's the colour they used. So it's a beautiful coin, and I absolutely love finding them. And we'll talk about the mintages, but also just have a quicker look at the other coin that came out that year, which is the 2013 Aboriginal Elder. So this is the one that they put plenty of these into circulation. Circulation numbers were around 35 million. Now, I did say, and I want to make a correction, yesterday I had the 2012 version of the Elder, and I got that wrong. I think I said 35 million for that. For the 2012, it's actually 35 million for the 2013, and the 2012 is around the 5.9 million. So around the same as the gold poppy the 2012 Elder is. If you're going on those numbers I said, I apologise for that. I did make a mistake. Just wanted to make that right. But this one here is the high one. So this is the one that's around the 35 million. So plenty of these ones, the Aboriginal Elders, are in circ. But getting back to the coin we love. Now these five down here, I've found all these ones in circulation, so all varying grades, as you can see, and all found at different times. Actually, this one here is a more recent find, so this one is very high grade considering the age of the coin, but this is how it looks anyway. So we'll try and just zoom in a little bit there, and hopefully we can read it a little bit better. So it has got the there we go, Elizabeth II, and coronation 60 years, and we've got the $2 coin, and then we've got a picture of her on the obverse of the coin, Elizabeth II, 2013. So we've got a lovely crown in the middle there, and the purple stripes. So I do own a fair few of these. I did manage to buy plenty of these when they came out, which was this one here is actually, well, it's exactly the same as what we just saw a moment ago, but Downey's put together this card, as you can see there, and from memory they sold these for $20 each, and it just tells you a little bit about the coin. There's no special mint marks on these coins, but the Royal Australian Mint did put out a carded version of this, which I don't own, which has a C mint mark on it, and sorry I'm unable to show you, but a C mint mark, and whereas these guys here, these surprisingly, these sell for a fair amount. Like I've probably had about 5 or 6 of these, and I sold them all except for one. But these still sell, and I had a look today. These still sell for $60 each in this card, which is quite surprising, really, considering that really it's the same coin that you could buy in uncirculated condition, which is what all these ones are. So an uncirculated version of this coin, which is this one here, can be bought on eBay for around the $20 to $25 each. So they're exactly the same coin, different packaging obviously, and but these do sell at a premium in this condition, and they are presented very nicely. But the C mint mark version, so they came out in a carded version, a folded presentation card, and those ones there, I've seen them selling for $120. But the mintage on these guys here, without the mint mark, is just around the million. I think it's 995,000. But the C mint version, I'm just looking in my book, was around 35,000. So certainly that's why they are attracting a premium, because there's just so few of them with the C mint mark, and well worth grabbing. Now, a few years ago, I bought these. These were straight out of a roll. But a few years ago, the mint did something quite extraordinary, really. They had spare coins, and you were able to order coins, and they would swap basically $2 for one of these. So you could grab, I think it was 10. Some people might have been able to get more, but I was able to get 10 at the time, and for something that I was able to pick up at the cost of $2 each, which was just extraordinary at the time. And it was, even when these things were still selling for around that $20-$25, the mint was basically giving them away at face value. You had to pay postage, but I bought a heap of other stuff and managed to get these as well. So you do from time to time still find these, but these are extremely rare to find in circulation. So they are still out there, but you really have to go through a lot of coins in order to be able to find it. So best of luck, but if you really want one, and it's certainly good to get them in high grade, you are going to have to spend some money. But keep a lookout. Obviously, you will be, as you do your $2 coin noodling, and maybe you'll find one in your change. But all right, guys, I've enjoyed bringing this video. We'll do a few more. We'll do the next one. Actually, a noodling video we're doing a $2 noodling video next. I'm pretty sure. But then we might go on and we'll do the 2014. We won't go through them all, but eventually we'll get through them all. But for now, I hope you like this particular coin. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for viewing. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye for now.